Well-being is the experience of health, happiness and prosperity. Hello teachers, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhalerao, an assistant high school teacher in Vidyadeep Vidyalaya and Junior College, Vikroli, Mumbai. First of all, I would like to thank Honorable School Principal Mrs. Pranita Lakhan Madam, then Honorable Chairperson and President of Vidyadeep Education Sanstha, Honorable Lakhan Sir, as well as the Kotak Education Foundation's coordinator Mrs. Shamli Madam and my school's SL leaders team, who are all these are my backbone of my well-being personality. Today I am going to talk about my personal well-being. It includes 7 positive dimensions like mental well-being, physical, occupational or professional well-being, social, cultural, financial, etc. It includes good health, high life satisfaction, a sense of meaning or purpose, and ability to manage stress. More generally, well-being is just feeling well. Well-being is something sought by just about everyone because it includes so many positive things: feeling happy, healthy, socially connected and purposeful. Now, I am talking about my mental well-being. As you know that mental health is essential to our overall well-being personality, and it is as important as physical health. When we feel mentally well, we can work productively, enjoy our free time and contribute actively to our communities. So for this my mental well-being, I am regularly meditating for positivity. I am following the principles of Lord Buddha, the principles of Brahma Kumaris and Sadguru for peace of mind. So these are the principles of my well-being. Let's see about my physical well-being. Physical well-being is not only important for our physical health itself, but also benefits our academic performance. Our physical well-being and our lifestyle will also have an impact on our mental well-being. So I try to keep myself physically fit by walking, cycling, trekking and riding. I eat nutritious food and keep myself away from any type of addiction such as alcohol, smoking, etc. Now I would like to talk about occupational or my professional well-being. Being an English subject teacher, I have shifted myself from chalk and talk of traditional teacher to the activity-based and digital modern teacher. I want to be a modern teacher. I want to be a digital or ICT teacher, and that's why I have converted English subjects lessons of standard 9, 10th, 11th and 12th. All these lessons, grammar, writing skills, all this content I have converted into digital form, that is in a video form, which I have uploaded on YouTube. Second, one more thing is that I have developed one mobile application which is available in Play Store, that is English for Learners. And one more thing is that I have developed my own educational website, that is in www.englishforlearners.com. Why I am talking about all these things? Because for a modern teacher, for a digital teacher, all these things I have improved myself, and this happened because of my principal and this guru team, this Kotak Education Foundation motivated me. Dear teachers, I have changed my teaching method and teaching style. I acquired the knowledge of how to teach online, how to use Google Form, how to share videos on Google Meet and Zoom. And so all this knowledge I have acquired, not only acquired, this knowledge I have given to other school teachers also. Dear teachers, I am very happy to say that I have given one lecture how to teach online to the teachers of V.Y. Kothari English Medium High School, Neral, nearby Karjat. So all these modern teaching style, modern digital gadgets I am using in teaching learning process. Now I would like to talk about my social well-being. To develop social well-being, we need to build skills that make us feel interconnected with all things. When we cultivate social well-being, we feel like we are a part of something bigger than just ourselves and live happily. So I have connected with people through social media and personal visit. I have used the social connection. For that I am using a social media like WhatsApp group, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube community. I am very happy to say that I have more than 75,000 students and teachers are my social YouTube followers from all over the Maharashtra. Dear teachers, now I would like to talk about my school curricular activities. In my school, Vidyadeep Vidyalaya and Junior College, under the guidance of Honorable Mrs. Pranita Lakhan and Chairman Mr. Lakhan sir, we used to organize a various type of activities, such as we have held online debate competition, elocution competition, storytelling competition, and so many students said their vision about themselves. One more thing I would like to mention here, we have live telecasted the program of Republic Day for the students and for the parents. So all this documentation we have stored and uploaded. School YouTube channel, Vidyadeep Vidyalaya School YouTube channel is there, and Facebook account is there. So all these things are documented. Dear teachers, at last I would like to express one thought. My wish is that, being an English subject teacher, my wish is that all my students should speak English fluently. I know that my school is in a vernacular medium school. It is in a slum area. There are so many problems, but I hope and I am sure nowadays I get a good positive result, academically good positive result, but all the students can't speak English fluently. But I assure you, definitely in future all the students will speak English fluently, and for that I am ready to take any type of effort. Thank you for listening my well-being.